looking at. So if you've just joined in now, you've come at the right time. We're looking at the trades and setups that we are going to be trading this afternoon, moving forward throughout this week. I wish you a very beautiful trading week ahead. As we dive into the markets, just come and join me as I show you. I'm joining you live from the International School of Traders offices in Richards Bay. We are live. Nice. So let me see you guys. Let's see what we can have today. I'm going to start off with the news items, right? On the things that we are looking at this afternoon. There is a couple of news that have already come out, and I believe we had an interest. It's not even interest rates, right? It's not interest rate. It's actually the meeting minutes that came out from Australia in the early hours of morning in South Africa. And then we do have CPI, the Canadian CPI is expected to come out at 2:30 South African time, and then we do have building permits in an hour or so, or in less than an hour, coming from the US as well, right? That's the American building permits. We do have the houses that coming out, the core CPI coming out at 2:30 in Canada. Also something to look out for. The European Central Bank president will be speaking at 7 p.m. A very important speech, I believe, is going to come out during the time, or when she speaks, she will be touching base on some very important points. Okay, let's quickly get into the markets. Let us look at what do we have in the markets this afternoon. I'm going to start off with USD CAD, guys. It's another trade that I'm looking at, I believe. I don't know if I should admit it, but I believe this is, on this trade, we just missed out a little bit. We wanted to look for sell entries in this trade moving forward, and the market did go to the 61.8, and we will be lucky if the market gets to that level again. And that is to see, markets coming down all the way down. I believe the market is gonna go down, but that instinct is also supported by price action in this particular case. So we do have a couple of things going on. Just a simple chart here. I believe if we look at it in this specific way, the expectation is that the market is going to touch base in this area over here, even pushing further, because I believe there is still imbalance just above us on this market structure. Just looking at imbalance here, if we do take this trade exactly at the 61.8, we are going to be standing a chance to make at least 1:3. 1:3 on the ratio here. So it's a beautiful ratio. 1 hour time frame is what you're looking at on USD CAD. Let me just save this chart so that I'll send it through. And then we do have a couple of things going on. Euro Canadian is one of the trades that I'm looking at. I've been singing about this trade. Well, there's a lot of things involved here, and the level that I'm looking at is quite a high level in this particular case. However, even if it is a high level, there's still a big chance, there is still a lot of chances that the market is going to approach those levels towards the top side and change direction, especially around the 78.6 in this particular case. Not trade at the moment on this one. And then let's talk about GBP JPY, very important chart this afternoon. You look at it on a 1 hour time frame. You look at it on a 1 hour time frame. On a 1 hour time frame, we do have this nice, beautiful bearish market that we have, and we are looking to sell this market, right? Just give me a second, I want to confirm something, guys. Okay. I'm calling this trade as a seller. Stop loss just outside structure here. And take it down here. I'm calling this trade as a sell now. you look at a couple of factors that we've seen in this market. Very bearish market, beautiful structure in front of us. So a sell in this particular case, all the way down, I believe it is going to be the one thing that we should be taking. 1:3, 1:4 ratio, stop loss of 164,773, and then with take profit of 162,765, right? There is over there's over 100 pips in this particular case, right? So it's a sell now. Let me quickly sell also on my side. I want to make sure that I do have a trade before I start seeing a blah 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 trade. Okay, cool. Let's continue. So we're selling GBP JPY, and I'll share with you something. The harmonic scanner is also confirming to that. Let's continue with the setup. Okay, so it's a sell, and then let's look at other markets as well. US 100, very important thing going on at the moment. Even though the market did not retrace from this level on US 100, I'm still looking to, for me, losing out or missing out on this entry up here was the biggest mistake. I think we should have sold early in the morning and held throughout the day. But things happen. We gotta wait for this retracement and see if it does happen. And if market does give us that retracement, we are going to be selling US 100 throughout, right? It's a shame because I've been looking at this trade since last week. I think last year, buy limit order on Australian dollar, US dollar, has not been activated. I just hope that it is going to get activated anytime soon, since we are expecting markets to bounce at this level, which is 0.66892, and then the stop loss of 0.66690, target of 0.67688. In this particular case, we're looking to see markets pushing further towards the top side in this particular case. We do have USD CAD that we've already spoken about, and we're looking to see if the market is going to change direction in this particular case over here. So we do have Euro USD. Euro USD, this is a trade that we spoke about last week in terms of buying, and it's still in profit, still moving to the top side. So if you're still holding, you still should be in profit on Euro USD. I'm still looking to see this market pushing further to the top side, and I am going to send out another buy trade here. Just look at the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, there is something that we can get out of this, especially a buy trade. GBP AUD is a trade and a setup that we've already sent. We're looking at selling GBP AUD just a little higher. We just missed out on the trade as well here in terms of selling exactly at 61.8, but the sell limit order has been sent out. You guys already have it. We will see how the market reacts after this, but other than that, we are on the right track this week so far. And yeah, I think we are going to discuss more trades on the groups as well. I will see you guys on the other side of the withdrawals. Shalom.